Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Alex Jenkins, dog, coming to y'all today to talk about the financial system and what is it. So I got the definition up right here, right now on Investopedia. Um, and it's saying a financial system is the system that covers the financial transaction and the exchange of money between investors, lenders, and borrowers. A financial system can be defined at the global, regional, or firm-specific level. Financial systems are made of intricate and complex models that portray financial services, institutions, and markets that links depositors with investors. So that's what the financial system is, as far as the definition goes. So I'd like to show you a diagram of the financial system. So here's the financial system. This one I'm trying to get you guys to understand. We got to take advantage of financial asset instruments and the financial markets, where you're going to gain a lot of capital. I like to mess with the Forex market. That's what I personally been training myself, self-educating myself on the Forex market. And that's within that market, I deal with options as well, which would be, I guess, would be a money market or money market instruments. Right now, I'm been using Gladiacoin as a financial instrument, so that way we can go ahead and get invested in Bitcoin and use that financial instrument to make money. So what does Bitcoin give you? What kind of functions does it give you in that financial system? It's gonna give you the ability to pool your funds. It's gonna be able to facilitate payments. That's dealing with Bitcoin. It's gonna provide liquidity. Once you be able to liquidate your funds with Coinbase, if you have any short-term or long-term needs, it'll solve those problems. Um, it'll give you economic development. So it's gonna really give you a lot within the financial system, and but this is basically what the functions of the financial system is, and this is what I'm trying to get you guys to implement in your lives. So let's go over financial instruments. Alright, so financial instruments are assets that can be traded. They can also be seen as packages of capital that may be traded. Most types of financial instruments provide an efficient flow and transfer of capital all throughout the world to investors. These assets can be cash or contractual right to deliver or receive cash or another type of financial instrument or evidence of ownership of the entity. So y'all you see that we use our asset is not cash, it's Bitcoin, which is a new currency, which I'm trying to get you guys to understand and how to utilize it to benefit you and your family members and maybe your friends. And also I'm getting into the Forex market. I'm going to bring that into the fold down the line, but let's talk about that. So the Forex market becomes easier than ever to trade. I won't call it easier. It's something that you got to spend time learning market behaviors, learning what the assets are, which is the currency pairs. They got different types. You can use look into indices, which is more a group of companies, group of assets that are grouped together to make one entity, which is called indices. You can get into commodities, which is oil, gold, wheat, silver, copper, a lot of different things. But let's get into what this definition, what they're talking about. So there are different forces which drive the boom, from the sudden rise in the online program to stock market volatility. Everything has made Forex market such easier to trade than the investment vehicles. I mean, yeah, they definitely got a lot of vehicles you can use online that makes trading a lot easier. I mean, you can trade right in your own home, or you can trade from your smartphone these days. So they're not lying about the being easier to access. Some giant companies like Citigroup Inc. have launched online trading platforms which cater towards the small account sizes, which generally what we're going to deal with, because we don't have that kind of capital to just dump into the market and trade. Coming from the working class people. So yet there are newbies online platforms like Forex Capital Markets and On the Corps, and which are gaining enough momentum in the retail industry. They have smaller balance requirements, low fees, and tight trading spreads. All of this comes to us during the time when there's a rise in volatility in currency markets, which are caused by increased debt issues in the Europe and in the U.S. and significant signs for extremely slow U.S. economic growth. In the recent months, the dollar fell down to a record low level against the yen of Japan, dropping down by more than 4% of a day and plummeted to its record low level within a day of hitting the low. The dollar was back to 7.5% against the Japanese yen. So the risk of trading the Forex market. Every trade, no matter how much sure you are about it, its result is nothing but a well-informed guess. There's nothing that is extremely certain in the trading market, and there are too many external factors which can push the movement of the particular currency. Yeah, well, I can agree on that, man. I can agree with that, and I can disagree with that because there are a lot of factors in it. I mean, depending on what market you're looking at, U.S. market, we got news dealing with the the Federal Reserve, and non-farm payroll taxes and different interest rates being changed that can cause the market to be very volatile and make large swings in the market. So I mean, it can do that. It does do that, and you just got to be aware of it. And there are websites that you can go to and know when those things are going to happen, and you can capitalize on those things. And so they're just giving you, letting you know that it's risky. It can be risky, but you see, notice they use well-informed guess, which is not a well-informed guess. That's once you study it enough, you kind of see its behavior, and you'll be able to follow behind the market makers that's driving the market up and down. But let's continue. Wow. While there are times when the fundamentals can shift in the environment of trading, there are other times when there are some uncountable factors like option barriers and central banks buying daily exchange rates fixings, ensuring being prepared for the uncertainties by doing a comprehensive market research on the entire scenario. Yes, you must do your homework prior to entering the market. You need to know what's going on throughout the day and prior to the market opening. So that is definitely a must. The rewards of Forex trading. What are the rewards of Forex trading? Well, the rewards are all unknown. When there is a move in the currency, the move can either be a small or big. Financial management is extremely vital in such cases, referring to the rule which says that you shouldn't let a winner become a loser. You should trade multiple lots. This can easily be done on the way which you can be handled with using many accounts. In this manner, you can lock in gains and then move your stops to the second lot. So that's pretty much it as far as that. I don't want to get into too much detail on that, but these are the markets you can make tons of money in. The Forex market trade $5.3 trillion daily. And then if they trade that much, they're paying out that much. They have the money to pay out the your winnings. So those are the financial tools that you can use in the financial system that can benefit you tremendously. So when I roll these things out, y'all just be ready to rock and roll. Alex Jenkins checking out.